I will talk to him in a minute. Get in your car now!
Tell him, take it. No.
No. I have the freedom of speech, okay? I can say what I want, and I can do this to you all I want, okay?
You go right ahead.
That's right.
Feel free to leave. Have a good day.
And I'm free to stay, too.
Welcome to U.S. Bad Cops. Join us as we reveal the 5 most shocking cases of police misconduct caught on camera. From abuse of power to unbelievable behavior, these stories will leave you stunned. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below to join the discussion. If you like this video, press 1. On January 27, 2021, Cedric Altimer, a 24-year-old newspaper carrier, was delivering papers around 2 a.m. in Pierce County, Tacoma, Washington. Off-duty Sheriff Ed Troyer saw Altimer driving in and out of driveways, which he found suspicious. Troyer, in his personal unmarked SUV, began following Altimer. When Altimer turned his vehicle around to face Troyer, the sheriff called 911.
Hey, keep your hands where we can see them. Hands on the steering wheel.
Is that what you're coming over here for?
Yeah, that's why we're coming over here, okay?
I'm suspicious, huh?
No, because he called saying that...
I don't care what he called for. He's following me.
Okay, we'll figure everything out.
Talk to him. I don't need you to figure out nothing. I am working.
We will figure everything out.
I am working.
Okay.
I'm a black male in a white neighborhood, and I'm working.
That has nothing to do with that.
Yeah, it does.
No.
He's following me.
Okay. He's getting out of the way, okay?
Okay, he's still following me.
We will figure that out.
Yeah, get the away from me. I don't care how many cops show up. He's following me.
Okay, can I explain it?
No, I don't need nothing to be explained to me. I'm being followed. Okay. He called the cops. Congratulations.
Yes.
I'm coming to and from a house. Ooh, he's committing a crime. He's black.
No one's saying
he's black.
Okay.
He's black.
I'm going to explain
I'm
why
doing my paper route.
Okay, I understand that. I see all the papers in your car.
Yeah,
okay?
Congratulations.
He just called saying that someone threatened his life. That's why we're here, okay?
Yeah, I threatened his life because I walked up to him and asked him why he's following me.
You're not under arrest. Can you step out of the car?
I don't need to be under arrest. That's dumb.
Appreciate it.
You're gonna arrest me?
No, I'm not gonna arrest. Come sit right here, okay?
What are we here for? Search my car. There's newspapers. This is the second time this happened to me.
What's your first name, sir?
Cedric, Altimer.
Cedric? Okay, Cedric. Okay, we just got a call saying that
I'm in danger. Ooh, that's a lie. Now what happens to him? He's lying.
That's what we're here.
He's lying.
Okay.
So what happens to him?
Was there any?
What happens to a liar?
We will figure that out.
To get 4 cops here. How many cops cars are here?
Cedric.
For a newspaper carrier?
Cedric.
I don't need to talk. It's not making no sense. I'm not under arrest, right?
You're not under arrest.
Okay, I can go, right?
No, you're not free to go either.
Why can't I go?
Because
I'm not under arrest. Who's a sergeant? Who's a sergeant around here?
On his way, okay?
Thank you. Please, I'm not under arrest, right? I'm going back to work, right?
No, you're not leaving right now, but you're not under arrest, okay? Do you want me to put you in handcuffs?
This is dumb.
Right now,
you're going to put me in handcuffs for what?
Cedric.
Because I'm talking?
Right now, I'm just talking to you man to man, trying to figure out what's going on, okay?
It's not a man-to-man conversation. Go talk to him. The one's so in danger. He's in danger. I got weapons.
Cedric.
I got weapons.
Do you see how calm I am?
Newspaper out.
You see how calm I am?
I pulled into his driveway. If I pulled into your driveway, I'm obviously your carrier.
That's all we're trying to get to is what happened between you guys that made him call
I am working. I am driving a bucket, and I'm in a nice neighborhood. I'm working. I'm over here every night. I see you guys every night. Nobody messes with me. But a car that sees a bucket in the neighborhood on the wrong side of the street, throwing a paper out the window, he's suspicious. Oh, he pulls up to another house. He's going to steal a Amazon package off that porch. Check my car. I got 15 Amazon packages in the trunk.
You're not in handcuffs. You're not in trouble right now.
I know I'm not in trouble. I am working.
But until we figure everything out and make sure everything's covered, okay, you do have to talk to us. You don't have to talk to us.
It's a big investigation.
You see them leaving?
Everybody needs to leave. You guys need to walk him home. Follow him home. He needs help. He needs assistance.
Did you ever threaten any sort of violence?
No! Okay. What am I threatening for? I feel threatened. I'm followed. Just because I walked up on him, I threatened him?
Did he make any threats to you?
Nobody made no threats.
Okay.
That's a lie. If I made a threat, I'll tell you, but I didn't. I didn't even go to him angry. I just wanted to know why he was following me.
That's
simple.
So, what this looks like is a big case of misunderstanding, okay? He thinks you're doing something, you think he's doing something, okay?
Because I didn't answer none of his questions, he says he's in danger. You're a sheriff! You're so in danger!
Cedric, stop. We pulled over so many paper delivery people because, yes, it is weird when we see them in the middle of the night going from house to house, and people always call you guys in, right? You always have cops drive by you. Sometimes you get pulled over, sometimes you don't. Once you realize, oh, you're just pulling papers, let you do your job, okay? Obviously, he didn't realize that you were doing
And Sheriff Troyer falsely called 911 claiming Mr. Alzheimer threatened him, leading to a major police response. Official reports contradicted Troyer, who later admitted no threat was made. Alzheimer, delivering newspapers with homeowner permission, was legally in driveways, though Troyer's repeated following raised legal concerns. Tacoma PD's response was commended for de-escalation amid bias criticisms. Investigations into Troyer's actions are ongoing, questioning his 911 call and legal implications.
okay?
Papers, bags hanging in the window. How do you not see that? There's no tenants. I'm not hiding nothing. Front windows are clearly down. What are we waiting for?
We're waiting for them to talk to him and figure out what his side of the story.
What do we need to talk to him for? He's following me. Just because he made the call?
No, yeah, because you are the two involved.
So if I would have made the call, you guys would let me go?
You are the two involved. So that's why we're getting
Involved in what? A car following you?
If it's
A sheriff? Somebody that has a gun on him?
If it's as simple as that, yeah. Okay? I understand your frustration. I appreciate you being quiet. Okay? Did he tell you to like stay here, or did you just stay here because you
I
knew
stay
he did
here
everything
because
wrong?
he's just following me.
Yeah.
I'm going to my houses. I don't want him knowing where all my houses are. So he just wait for me one night.
So when did you figure out who he was? Did you tell him?
I recognized him. He's been on TV.
Yes, he is.
As soon as I walked up to him, I was like, yeah, you're a cop. But I know where he lives because I'm over here every night.
Mr. Alzheimer received an A- for cooperating with officers without physical resistance and effectively explaining his situation. However, there's a note of caution about his heated demeanor, which could have worked against him. It underscores the importance of remaining calm during police encounters. Ultimately, Mr. Alzheimer's ability to communicate with officers resulted in a peaceful resolution.
Here we go, guys. Put this here so I can.
In Artesia, New Mexico, a recent incident revealed issues with the local police department. It emphasized the importance of recording interactions with law enforcement. A former officer noted that many police don't fully grasp the law, based on his own experiences.
Just doing a story.
Oh, they told me that you ain't supposed to take no videos.
Yeah, I can't go on your property and take pictures. I'm on public property. Can I get your name and badge number that you're making fucking Sanchez?
Police Department.
Your badge number or ID number?
Unit 725.
I don't know. Thank you.
What can I help you with out here?
I don't need no help. I'm just doing a story, and I've been on public easement the whole time. Never crossed onto their property.
Okay.
So,
Well, can I see your ID?
no, ma'am.
I need your ID.
I'm not gonna broke the law.
Called.
It don't matter.
I need to
You
identify
can put good citizen
Okay,
on.
I'm not going to put good.
Well, you're not going to put my name because I'm not giving it to you. I have to have broken the law before I have to turn over all that information.
Okay.
If you articulate,
I was called.
that's
over
fine. You
here.
can be called. You can investigate, but I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to surrender my rights just because you showed up. I have to.
I'm not asking you to
You're asking for my
surrender your
ID. That would be surrendering my fourth.
Well, you identified me, so I'd like to.
Well, you're a
identify
public
you.
servant.
Exactly. It's
There's a
not
difference. I'm not. I'm a
about
free
me.
citizen.
So what is it that you're doing out here exactly?
What does it look like? I'm filming. That's it. Promise. There's thousands of cameras everywhere.
Except
You don't have a body camera on?
Navajo specifically.
Navajo, I am not working for Navajo. I'm not in their property. That is the only time that their rules apply.
All over their property.
It don't matter. What
that they don't
yes,
allow
on their property.
videotaping.
There's no penal code at the bottom of the do not allow camera record signs, meaning it's not a law, it is their policy. Their policies don't apply to me. Only if I'm on their property, then I become subject to their laws and their policies. While I'm on public property, I'm a free citizen. I can record anything that my eyes can see. Can't trespass my eyes. And this DHS memo sent out in 2010 to all the installations and revised in 2017 that we have permission to record police, any government officials in the course of their duty. It doesn't matter. If I can see it, see how I can see it from my eyes, I can't get in trouble for that. If it's viewable, if they want, they can build a 30-foot wall, and then I can't see it. But until then, I'm allowed to video anything.
What kind of movie are you making your documentary?
I'm gathering content for matters of interest to the public.
You're gathering content for matters of interest to
Yeah.
the public?
That's all it is. I'm not going on the property. I know my boundaries. I do this for a living. I know the law. I might not know all the laws, but I know these
What do
laws
you do for a
specifically.
living? Exactly.
It doesn't matter.
Well, I'm just curious.
Well,
If you're
this is one thing. You know,
just making documentaries?
I do a lot of stuff like this. It just depends what I feel like and who's gonna pick it up, who's gonna buy it, or if I'm just gonna post it or whatever. You know, I don't work for nobody specifically. I'm an independent journalist gathering content for a story. That's all I'm doing. I've never.
Using to identify himself.
You know, I have to be committing a crime to give ID.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I do. Want to bet?
Yes, sir.
You have to articulate a crime that I've either committed, I'm committed, or I'm about to commit.
Yes, sir.
You want to bet?
Yes, sir.
All right, well, you better call your supervisor if you do something stupid.
Okay.
Call your supervisor.
call here.
I don't matter. You can call. You can come and you can come investigate.
You are the suspect.
Huh?
Your fault here to deal with. Therefore, you are required.
No, I'm
You are
not.
legally
Suspicion
required.
isn't a crime.
In New Mexico, 2 officers wrongly asked a citizen for ID without reason. The citizen stood up for their rights, charges were dropped by a judge, and the citizen later sued the officers and won, showing how legal action defends individual freedoms.
Suspicion isn't a crime. It's not a felony or a misdemeanor. Yes, it is. Yes, it does. That is the law. You have to articulate a crime I've committed, a crime I have
Right now,
committed,
the
or
crime you are
no, I'm
committing
not.
is failure to identify.
No. That can't be the first crime unless I've committed one. Then you can get me for failure.
No, sir.
Until then, just for me walking on the sidewalk is not permissible for me to give you ID.
Okay.
I don't have to give nothing unless I've committed a crime. You better go back and read up the law. I can film all I want. Look, all of it. Everything. It don't matter if it's posted. That's not the law. Do you see a penal code under the sign? No. If it was the law, there would be a penal code. I'm not on the property. Those laws, those rules don't apply to me unless I'm on their property. I'm on public access. That means I'm a free citizen. It does matter. You're ignorant if you don't know the law. You got that badge and that gun, but you don't even know. How are you going to enforce something when you don't even know? I'm not giving you my ID.
All right. Turn around. Put your place.
All right.
Front back.
Here we go, guys. Put this here so I can. All right. Reach out, I'm not resisting.
Then there was the matter of trespassing and this question about disorderly conduct. I don't think there's any sort of information that could, I mean, the fact that other people are upset by what he's doing does not mean that he's engaging in disorderly conduct. So I don't think that one would apply either. So I think it all hinges on whether there was a reasonable suspicion that he was trespassing. The court is going to find that the officers did not have a reasonable suspicion that he had committed trespass, that there was maybe this sort of vague concern, suspicion, but when you get down to are there specific articulable facts that would support that reasonable suspicion, I don't believe they were there. I believe this defendant was arrested because, number one, he was videoing, and the people at Navajo were very concerned about this. And, you know, not that they don't have a valid concern about videoing, but their policy about photography and video is not a law. In addition to that, I think he was arrested because he was kind of obnoxious. That again is not a crime. So the court will find that that was not met, therefore the defendant is not guilty.
That's why I always stress the importance of knowing your rights. When you know them, you won't let anyone, not even police officers, violate them. And if they do, take legal action, win in court, and file a lawsuit. Props to the citizen for standing up.
I have a question, sir. Would you help me? Yeah, I will go outside. Yeah. Would you help me? Please get Joseph a box. I will go.
Yep. Very good.
In Boston Police Department, which admitted to the incident on camera.
Seem to be having issues with that right now. Yeah. Nothing they can do. Any questions into the desk?
Yeah, you should be able to ask everybody at the front desk.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
You turn the camera off?
Not really.
Turn the camera off or go out of the lobby. I already told you you're gonna do it here. Turn the camera off or go out of the lobby. I already told you.
I have a question, sir. Would you help me? Yeah, I will go outside. Yeah. Would you help me? Please get Joseph a box. I will go.
Yep. Very good.
Here are some dogs here that are trying to violate some people's rights.
Okay.
What's your
Nobody
badge
violated
number?
anybody's rights. I told you.
What's your name and badge number, sir?
Inside the lobby.
What's your name and badge number, sir?
Jose Molina, badge 2851.
Sir, what's your name and badge number?
Officer Sanderson.
Okay.
4667.
Would you come down and explain to me, a member of the public, why I cannot record there?
You cannot record back here.
Why?
A supervisor, come down.
Is it a directive?
Am I clear? Am I clear?
You're not.
No, I'm not.
You're not clear.
All right. How's this? Someone's gonna come down and talk to you.
Yes, please. How much do I have to wait? How much? Please tell me. Now, I will open it, sir, because I
No, I said with no recording, you cannot pass this point.
I
over here.
have
You can
not
record over
passed
here,
that.
not
What's the
over there.
difference, me being there or there? I can still
There's
record
no
you guys.
recording in here.
Okay. Please call your supervisor. Please do that. Please.
Right here.
Okay. Hello, sir.
Go on, here we go outside. There's no recording.
Okay. So we'll stay here because this is a public lobby. And would you please explain to me that sign?
You can read the sign on your own.
Would you explain it to me?
A department accused of conducting warrantless searches and disregarding citizen complaints while spending taxpayer money. Critics argue the department overlooks constitutional rights, particularly the First Amendment's protection of public filming. The discussion highlights the prevalence of surveillance in public spaces, contrasting with expectations of privacy in private areas like homes and restrooms. The speaker questions how someone could reach the rank of sergeant without understanding basic public privacy laws.
If you need to request forms, reports, or like I say, a legitimate business
Yeah.
to get what you
We'll
need,
get there in a moment.
go in there. Yes, thank you.
We'll get there in a moment. So what's official business?
You tell me. You tell me. You tell me.
You're the one enforcing the law.
No, I'm not. What are,
Aren't you a police officer?
we're gonna stop this right now and I'm gonna end it. You can stand outside and record all day
No,
long.
sir.
You
I
wanna-
can stay here. If you want to violate my rights, you can do that.
No, you can stay
I have the
alone.
First
You-
Amendment,
you
sir.
can't- you can't
That
go.
isn't constitutional. I have the right to record here. I pay for this building. I pay for your salary, sir. I am a taxpayer.
Thank you. You pay me
Yeah.
very, very well.
Yes, I do. I know. And you should be grateful for that.
Very grateful.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I appreciate your professionalism, sir.
Kids are gonna have a very good Christmas this year.
Yeah, for sure. So, my issue is that I pay for this building, right?
Yeah.
So,
According to you, yes.
yes, I do pay it. Like, if I go into the gas station,
Many, many government
I
grants.
pay taxes for it, right? Don't you receive those tax money?
I'm not answering. I don't know.
Okay, you have your Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. I appreciate you exercising your rights, and that's pretty fine. But I have a First Amendment, sir.
This is gonna end here. You want to film in this?
Are you gonna violate my rights by not allowing me there?
You can stay here for the next.
No.
12 hours and
I am
film.
asking you a question, sir. Are you gonna violate my rights if I go inside there to record?
If you do not have a legitimate police business, you are disturbing the peace
Okay.
of people who are conducting business.
Okay.
And
How?
you will-
Explain that to me.
you
How
will
would I be?
I'm not, that's my explanation.
You are.
You have no legitimate purpose.
Okay.
Okay. If you have a legitimate purpose,
Did you
to
swear-
get a report or
Okay,
anything
yes.
else, I'm not answering anything more.
Yeah, okay.
That's it.
You
can
have to,
record.
though.
You can record
As a
all
member
day long.
of law enforcement, you
go
have
in
to,
here,
sir.
You can record all day long. You
Yeah,
can record
I
all
understand
day for
that.
the next 10
There's no
years.
difference there and here. It's public.
Stay in the lobby.
It's public. Is this a public
I
building?
will warn you, if a member of the public makes a complaint that they feel harassed by you,
Okay,
you're
yeah,
recording,
that's
you are
fine.
subject to arrest.
I am not, because
You
you're
are.
not.
You are. You are
You have
disturbing-
not expectation of
You are-
privacy
you are
in public, sir.
disturbing yes, the public
You do
does.
not have
The
expectation
public
of.
does.
Can
That
I
is
go
not-
there?
This is the public law.
Can I go there and ask questions of general public interest?
You cannot, no.
You cannot go there,
You cannot. You're not conducting police business.
sir.
You're not.
Official business.
You do
That
not have-
all that matters.
What's your legit-
Under the First Amendment, freedom of the
Put
press.
First Amendment aside, I'm letting you record
Oh,
for
so-
as long as you want to.
So you didn't swear an oath to uphold the Constitution, sir?
Goodbye, sir.
You did not swear an oath to uphold the Constitution, sir?
We're done. We're done.
We are not done.
Can we get a B, couple B2 units? You have to close the door.
Okay.
Step outside, close the door. This is not
Okay. This
a public lobby.
No. Well,
Close
okay.
the door.
All right. Bruh. Okay. You guys will be hearing from this. Can I get the captain or lieutenant here, please? Your supervisor, because you didn't answer all my questions, sir. And I need some help. Sir.
Stay vigilant and eagerly await the follow-up. Don't let the police violate your rights. Know them and stand up for them.
I will talk to him in a minute. Get in your car now!
Tell him, take it. No.
A Newport woman who arrived first at a car accident involving a high school and college student in South Kingston, Rhode Island, alleges that South Kingston police mistreated her and assaulted her.
Yeah, the key's stuck. Okay. It's broken.
Are you gonna? Well, so you think he's gonna be taken with the scene, or will he just?
Are you?
I'm not. No. I'm on the phone with his father.
Yeah, it's my dad. But
How many cars are involved right now?
Not mine. That's mine.
All right, we need to get that off the road. All right, can we get that into the parking lot? We'll take care of him, man.
I'm just trying to tell his father. So.
We're in the middle of the highway.
Right?
So.
All right, can you move your car, please? Thank you. My man, is your car drivable?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna get it off to the side of the road. All right.
All I'm saying is I can leave. I just want to tell his father.
You don't have to leave. Just move your car.
I just want you to tell me.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm
All right,
okay.
let's have a seat right over here, man. Is that your mom?
No.
No?
You want to talk to his father here? Why don't you talk to his father?
I'm working. Can you please go sit in your car? You have nothing to do with
His
this scene.
father,
I
he's
understand.
a minor. I'm an attorney because he's a minor. You need to tell me, is he going to be here?
I don't need to tell you anything. I'm going to arrest you in a second if you don't get in your car. Do you understand me? I'm not kidding you.
You are kidding.
You are impeding an investigation right now, and you're really bothering me.
What should
Go
I tell
sit in
his
your
father?
car.
What
I will
should I
talk to
tell
him
his
in a
father?
minute. Get in your car now.
Tell him, take it. Not touch me. Oh my God, stop.
What are you doing?
Oh my God, stop it. Are you kidding me?
Knock it off.
You will be.
Knock it off.
No, get your hands off me
Knock
right now.
it off.
Get your hands off.
All right. Yes.
Tell him to get his hands off
Yes,
me.
I do.
Tell him to get his hands off me right now. Oh my God. Are you
Stop.
fucking kidding?
Stop.
No, I'm not stopping. I understand, but why am I under arrest?
Because you weren't listening to anything we were saying.
Oh my God, you're not listening to your father or something.
Claire Hall filed a federal lawsuit against Officer White from the South Kingston Police Department. She alleges that while stopping to assist at a car crash on Route 1, she offered her phone to Officer Souza to help communicate with an injured young man's father. Officer White allegedly reacted aggressively, assaulting Hall, restraining her, throwing her to the ground, and handcuffing her, causing serious injuries. Despite her objections, Hall was arrested and taken to the police station, leaving her car behind with her wallet inside.
I cannot believe you. Take this fucking off me right
Okay,
now.
50. I have one in custody,
Oh my
disorderly
God.
and resisting.
Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me.
Stop.
No!
Stop talking.
No! This is so ridiculous. I cannot even believe this. Oh my
Let's
God.
go put her in my car.
I just wanted to know. I could tell his father if he's going to the hospital. I'm not even involved in this. I can't believe this.
That was our point the whole time.
I cannot believe this.
That was our point the
You
whole
were
time. You are not
screaming at me.
involved.
Oh
You
my
are not
God.
involved.
I'm a good
We
Samaritan.
instructed you to do something,
I'm a good
and you
Samaritan
refused to do it.
I'm a good Samaritan who stopped to help a kid, and this
Let's
is
go.
what happened. Okay, stop grabbing me. I'll get up on my own. You're hurting me.
now.
Oh my God, stop it. Ow! Ow! I want my phone. It's over there. What am I doing? He's pulling my... Hey, stop. Get my shoe. Please get my shoe.
Okay.
Get my... Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I cannot even believe this. No. This man is beating the shit out of me. Holy shit. Yes, he is. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is the crazy. I've never... Stop pushing me, please. I will walk. Are you kidding me? You guys don't know how much trouble you are. I'm gonna see you both for assault. I know. You're in so much trouble. I can't even tell you. Oh my God, this is the craziest thing I've ever in my entire. I'm not gonna relax. I can't. I don't have to. You guys, where do you get this machismo shit? This is bullshit. I need my phone. It's on the ground over there.
I will grab it.
Call my husband. He's also an attorney.
Go ahead.
This is so bad. Yeah. I can't even.
The phone's right here.
Oh, right.
Why don't you bring her back?
Started before, but
Why don't you bring her back? Get her out of here. Get her. I'm assuming that she's an attorney. She's got nothing. We'll get her and she cut her loose. And then go from there.
Maybe
I heard you guys say one in custody. I'm like, oh, here we go.
It was so unnecessary.
Yeah.
But like my tolerance for that is like I'm just like, listen,
It's
you're
dangerous.
not going
You're
to
in the
listen to
middle
what
of
I'm
the
saying.
highway.
We're in the middle of the highway. Get in your car and get off the highway.
All I was talking
Every
about.
fucking stood her up too. She started screaming like belligerent. The kid was even more freaked out than anything.
How old's the kid that was?
I don't know. 05 is his birthday. 17.
Oh, that's Mike's. That works. You can get her out of here. Right. She calmed down a little bit now.
It's better than she was. I wonder how she'll be in the block, but somebody will be at the station to help me.
Yeah, I'll head back.
Go ahead, Clayton.
The video shows a bystander getting involved in a police incident and persisting despite being told to leave. It raises questions about charges against her and her legal case's outcome. In the U.S., federal courts usually uphold state court decisions, so resolving criminal charges is crucial before pursuing civil claims like false arrest or excessive force. False arrest hinges on probable cause, while excessive force allegations weigh factors like the situation's severity and resistance. Evidence such as injuries, video footage, and witness accounts will be critical. The bystander's actions on video could impact how a jury views her credibility.
No. I have the freedom of speech, okay? I can say what I want, and I can do this to you all I want, okay?
You go right ahead.
That's right.
Feel free to leave. Have a good day.
And I'm free to stay, too.
On August 28, 2023, a guy was pulled over for giving the finger to a cop. The officer claimed it was disorderly conduct, but the man argued it wasn't under Pennsylvania law. In Pennsylvania, disorderly conduct covers obscene gestures, but a 2000 court case clarified that flipping off a government official isn't obscene. Therefore, the officer's citation was incorrect.
What'd you stop me for? What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number?
Right there.
What is your name? Speak your name to me. I can't read.
Officer Novotny. What is your name?
I don't answer questions. What did you stop me for? What did you stop me for?
Huh? For disorderly conduct.
No, I don't think so. No.
You're Mr. Clanchar, aren't you?
I don't answer questions.
Stand by.
That's Upper Yoder, and we are in Lower Yoder Township. Really, you fell for it? Officer Novotny, you fell for it? Really? You fell for it? I mean, he fell for it. He absolutely fell for it. He absolutely fell for it. He's an Upper Yoder cop, and I am in Lower Yoder Township. You're out of your jurisdiction. Am I free to leave? You're out of your jurisdiction. Am I free to leave? Am I free to leave? You pulled me over in Westwood. Am I free to leave? You f***ing pig.
The speaker summarizes that Officer Novotny's actions, including his decision not to wear a body cam during a traffic stop, raise concerns about legality and adherence to department policy. The second officer's arrival, though not involved in the stop, prompts the detained person to question if they are free to leave, highlighting the issue of reasonable suspicion under the Fourth Amendment.
I just want to go to the Yo, pig! Give me a supervisor! Yo, Piggy, I'm asking for a supervisor! I am the supervisor. Well, then you better get your f***ing chief here! You're out of your jurisdiction! Okay? You want to die on this sword, you're gonna. Hey, Tom! Officer Dowdell, am I free to leave? I don't have to ID. Hey, Tom. Hey, Tom. I love you, buddy, but I can do that, right? Protected First Amendment free speech. Could you educate him, please? Can I step out? Wait, am I free to leave? Then I'm just as free to f***ing stay. Tom, I would appreciate it if you would educate this pig bastard motherfucker who pulled me over for flipping him off. Please, would you? What did you tell him? No. I have the freedom of speech, okay? I can say what I want, and I can do this to you all I want, okay?
You go right ahead.
That's right.
You're free to leave. Have a good day.
And I'm free to stay, too.
Absolutely.
Okay? Don't think this is the end of this, okay? You violated my First Amendment right to fucking free speech, you piece of shit. I'll be over for the police report, too, okay? I appreciate that, brother. Thank you. Okay. You want to come over to the house, Tom, you can. Okay, I'm going home.
In this situation, a man was stopped by a police officer without a valid reason, which he viewed as a rights violation. Rather than backing down, he confidently asserted himself, even making a gesture protected under the First Amendment. Despite the officer's attempts to intimidate him, the man stood his ground and handled the situation professionally, defending his rights without yielding. Thanks for tuning into US Bad Cops, where we uncover the shocking truth behind the 5 worst police officers ever caught on camera. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this eye-opening video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts.